Hawley Wharf is a mixed-use development. It features the Market building, which sits adjacent to Regent's Canal, very close to the Camden Market that everyone is familiar with. Allford Hall Monaghan Morris were the architects for the overall project. Because of the Market building being external and internal, and all the perimeter being open to the elements, we had to make sure that all of the materials, everything that we designed, was going to be fit for purpose, so really robust, suitable for that public setting, a heavily trafficked space, so floor, facade, walls, lifts, stairs, everything kind of had to meet that requirement. One of the key requirements was flexibility, and that actually was also another reason why we selected Lazenby. So the Market stalls might change in size and shape over time or use. So it's really important that the floor finish that we selected could have areas dug out, recast and made good, and the finish still be seamless. And that was something that actually the Lazenby project can offer. We worked with Lazenby throughout the process, probably quite early on in the design development kind of detail stages, and then in more detail again once we were working with the contractor on site. So early on it was kind of sample selection, product selection, and then working through those details. So I think having the guidance from Lazenby really helped us, having that reassurance. The diamond polished concrete was our preferred product and the product that we specified and the product that we ended up delivering on site. And for us it was really important to have that variation of the aggregate, and also the aggregate that was in the particular Lazenby polished concrete that we'd specified was quite a warm tone. An important part and the main feature of the building is actually the terracotta facade. So it kind of pulled together to the overall palette that we were seeking in the Market building. We were really happy with the overall project, and it probably actually exceeded our expectations, and I think it probably will stand the test of time and deliver what we hope it will for the project.